Imagine a world where your cryptocurrency transactions are free from the burden of taxes. This is now a reality in the UAE. The UAE has announced a groundbreaking policy: all cryptocurrency transactions are exempt from VAT, effective November 15, 2024. This exemption is not just for future transactions but applies retroactively to all transactions since January 1, 2018. The VAT exemption covers the exchange, transfer, and conversion of digital assets, including all cryptocurrencies. For businesses, this means lower operational costs and simplified compliance, making the UAE a more attractive destination for crypto startups and global firms. Individual investors will benefit too, as they will no longer be subject to the 5% VAT on crypto transactions, making it more cost-effective to buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies. This move aligns with the UAE's broader economic goals to become a regional hub for digital finance and blockchain technologies. The UAE's progressive stance contrasts with more cautious regulatory environments globally, positioning the country as a leading hub for cryptocurrency innovation. The long-term implications include enhanced competitiveness, increased investment, and a more innovative crypto ecosystem in the UAE. By removing tax burdens and establishing clear regulations, the UAE is fostering long-term growth and solidifying its status as a fintech and blockchain leader.